I'm Rebecca Jewell and I'm an artist. I teach natural history drawing with my colleague Sandy Ross Sykes.
I'm Sandy Ross Sykes and I'm a natural history artist and botanical painter.
Together we ran the Bestiary art class. There were 3 aims to this 2-day workshop. Firstly, to act as a team-building exercise, bringing together the academics working on the animal feeding project. Secondly, to teach some observational drawing and watercolour techniques. And thirdly, to help the researchers to create a visual representation of their own projects in the style of a medieval bestiary page.
The participants were shown how to paint using watercolours. We looked at examples of animals from medieval bestiary pages and we helped everyone to design their page with background decoration and borders.
Everyone brought along an item which related to their own project, an image, artefact or animal specimen, about which they said a few words, and then they incorporated this into their final page.
We were thrilled with the outcome of this workshop. People not only produced beautiful artworks, but it also helped the researchers to think about their project in a different way.